Now, after a long legal battle of more than 20 years, the top court has sent the rapists of Bilkis Bano back to jail where they belong for the rest of their lives. Bilkis, was raped when she was pregnant. 7 of her family members, including a 3-year-old child, was killed. Here are the details on the order by the top court on Monday.
Celebrations after a 17-month-long battle. As 11 men who raped Bilkis Bano and killed 7 members of her family are set to return to where they belong. Meanwhile, these celebrations have come to an end. Elected MLAs had shamefully celebrated the release of these rapists, giving the impression that 11 rapists had political support. The release was controversial to begin with.
The court has said, and it's a scathing indictment of the state of Gujarat. The court has said that the law is clear. The appropriate government is the government where the accused are tried and sentenced, which, as we know, in the case of Bilkis Bano, which is a case emerging from the violence that took place in 2002 in Gujarat.
Republic was the only channel that fought for Bilkis back then.
तो बिल्किस एकदम शॉर्ट और माहिश हो गया कि आज मेरी 18 साल की लड़ाई को एक ही झटके पे ख़त्म कर दिया। सिक्योरिटी का बहुत बड़ा इश्यू है क्योंकि वो लोग जब पैरल पे आते थे, जो पैरल पे आके घर पे आते थे, तब भी हमको डर था, वो थोड़ा था, अब ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है कि अब हम आगे का भविष्य कैसे तय करेंगे बच्चों के साथ।
Republic opposed the release and questioned the Gujarat government.
What is this celebration of the rapists for? What is the point that the Gujarat government is trying to make?
The Supreme Court also came down heavily on the Gujarat government now. The opposition has targeted the government over the release.
आज़ादी के अमृत महोत्सव में वाहवाही लूटने के लिए गुजरात सरकार ने जो कुछ भी किया, सत्ता का दुरुपयोग, शक्ति का दुरुपयोग, उस पर माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने जो फटकार लगाई है और कहा है कि सत्ता का दुरुपयोग हुआ है, तो इससे आगे सचेत रहने की ज़रूरत है क्योंकि हमारे देश के 140 करोड़ जनता का विश्वास लोकतंत्र से धीरे धीरे उठता जा रहा है.
It is about the politics. Let's be very clear about it. The Gujarat government, the BJP government in Gujarat thought that if we release these 11, either the media will not notice it or we will say we have a technical reason to release them. The fact is there is no technical reason to release. The release has happened because there is a jail board committee. In the jail board committee, there are 2 BJP MLAs. The jail board committee and therefore the BJP MLAs and therefore the BJP has decided to release Bilkis Bano's rapists. This is the reality.
On one hand, the BJP talks about capital punishment for gang rapists.
We welcome the Supreme Court order. It's a very important order because at least it does hold some hope for justice, and importantly, the comments of the Supreme Court also point to the culpability of the central government.
It is the central government who, Union Home Ministry, had approved the remission and the premature release of the convicts by a letter dated July 11, 2022. It is the BJP government headed by then Chief Minister Shri Narendra Modi, who could not give justice to Bilkis Bano. So it is high time that they apologize to her. What is wrong in that?
Can the party or the government in Gujarat deny the fact that this was avoidable to begin with? Has Bilkis finally got justice?